You had said in the lecture about predictive power being something different, and I wasn't sure when looking at the sets of answers, how to eliminate. You had said the question is which of the following statements concerning the coefficients of simple linear correlation are is true. And I believe the example you used in the lecture had somewhat different wording for letter B. It said the relationship between two variables could be nonlinear or the same. And in the text that I have, it says for B, it must be linear. So then the answer was C, R equals 0.76 has the same predictive power as R equals negative 0.76. I was just confused between this and like, I don't understand how in the lecture, B was the right answer, but then now the right answer is C.
I see. So which of the following statement concerning the coefficient of simple linear correlation R is true? So B, the relation between two variables must be non-linear. So that we simply don't know whether this is, so what I'm saying is even if R is 0, you know, sometimes it happens because there is no relationship that can happen. However, there's another possibility that, you know, there could be non-linear relationship. So you cannot rule out having some kind of non-linear relationship when R is 0. That's what I was trying to say in my lecture.
Okay, so 0 means would mean non-linear, but there could be another type of relationship. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so there are two possibilities. There could be no relationship at all, yeah, or there could be non-linear relationship when R is 0. Okay. Does it make sense to you, Michelle?
Well, I think she was talking about the next answer. Were you talking about the next answer too?
Yeah. So, yes, I didn't understand the third option, what that means. I understand D and I understand A, and I think I understand B. But C, I did not understand, so I wouldn't know to eliminate that or accept that as an answer when I'm looking at the question.
Yeah, so this is true because the number 0.76 is the same, right? So the difference is whether this is a negative or positive. So it has the same predictive power of the relationship being positive 0.76 or negative 0.76. It has the same predictive power. However, the direction is different.
So it's just going down like that or down like that.
Yeah. So for example, you have 76% you are sure that sales and number of calls will have a positive relationship. Or sometimes you can say there's a negative relationship between the sales and number of recalls or number of bad customer reviews. They have a negative 0.76. In that case, this number of negative reviews has the same predictive power as number of sales calls. You know what I mean? Because they have the same correlation, which is 0.76 or negative 0.76. Does it make sense to you?
Yes.
Yeah, equally powerful. That's what I'm trying to say.
So in this case, I have your lecture slide in front of me printed out. It's on slide number 13, but I have no idea if that's actually slide number 13. So are you saying that in this case, in what, in, is it really B and C? When you ask which are true?
So
'Cause I thought you said the answer was B.
did I?
I
Oh,
thought you
then
did.
I might have given you a wrong answer. So
Okay, so I was just trying to, maybe okay, that could be, but
yeah.
it could be I heard it wrong. But I thought you said the answer was B, and then I got confused. And I thought maybe I'm not understanding.
Oh, I see. I gave
So
you.
so
Yeah,
that's what.
that's why.
So I guess
This one I have to. Gotcha.